The Royal Malaysian Air Force (TUDM) RMAF is said to be interested in acquiring the Russian fifth-generation fighter jet, the Su-57 NATO Felon. Sources quoted by the 2213 portal said that the purchase of this stealth fighter jet would be part of the 14th Malaysia Plan for the procurement of the next Multirole Combat Aircraft (MRCA). One squadron of aircraft will be acquired to replace the Su-30MKM NATO flanker fleet in 2035. Based on the RMAF's previous schedule outlined in the Capability Development 2055 (CAP 55) roadmap, the Su-30MKM would be phased out and replaced with an all-new fifth-generation fighter in 2030 to 2035. However, under a bold and ambitious new plan, the RMAF began aggressive and accelerated force modernization exercises. Other programs planned are the upgrade of 18 Sukhoi Su-30MKMs to Super Flanker Standard, the acquisition of ex-Kuwait Air Force (KAF) stock of FA-18C/D Hornets as well as aerial refueling aircraft. The RMAF requires that the MRCA be a twin-engine fighter with high combat persistence, long flight duration and can accept mid-air refueling. If the Su-57 is ultimately acquired by Malaysia, this fighter aircraft will become a rival to the F-35 fighter jet from the United States in the region of surrounding countries.